Thank you. I mean it. Thank you so much for helping make this channel a success. I was looking yesterday. It was my son Bryson Bennett's birthday, and this is the look I got on my face when I looked down at our channel, because you guys put this look on my face, and I want to say thank you. And the reason that look is on my face is on February 26, 2021, you guys got us to 300 subscribers, and I promise you I will get a bigger box. And so we were celebrating my son Bryson's birthday, and I was getting ready to do an unboxing with him because his birthday present after dinner that he was going to open was another thing to help him build his studio. And so there he is right there. And if you haven't seen this unboxing video on his new NZXT PC computer that he bought, then check that out. It's one of our most popular videos. Thank you, Bryson. Happy birthday, son. And so we actually unboxed a new tool that I wanted to give to him for his birthday to help complete his live streaming setup. And so we did that. And so I want to again say thank you. My buddies here want to say thank you to you as well for helping us grow this channel and keeping my little acquisitive monkeys learning things here in the studio. So then today, as I was getting ready to do this video, I actually looked up our subscription total, and guess what? You guys then did this. So thank you to those 3 other people that subscribed today or since last night. And now we're at 303 subscribers here on the channel, and that's because of you. And so I just want to say again, a heartfelt thank you. We will never take you for granted. We know as a YouTuber and also a live streamer on Facebook, I continually understand the value of the videos that are here on YouTube. I subscribe to many people. I'm looking forward to collaborating with some of my heroes here on YouTube, and I've grown from them. I hope that our channel is helping you grow. I want to continue to be growing with you. So your questions, your comments, we thank you so much, and your likes and your subscriptions. And if you ring the bell, you'll get new videos this week that I'm working on. In fact, one of those videos, my wife made a mistake of asking me to go purchase her a laptop because I seem to be the computer guy. And so now she has a gaming laptop with a 2060 RTX card with a 1 terabyte M2 card inside of it. If you don't know what that is, it doesn't matter, but if you do, you understand. And I downloaded Steam and video games, and my wife is now a gamer too. So 3 of us in the house. If I can teach her gaming, maybe I can teach her video production and live streaming and YouTubing as well. So thank you so much for making this channel a success. I want to say thank you for subscribing, and I hope that you enjoy the videos here. We sure enjoy putting them together and learning and growing together with you. So until the next video, I am Keith. This is Life Journey Productions Studios on YouTube, and thank you is the last thing I want you to hear. Thanks.